Alright, so to give a little home tour of where we're staying here for the week. So we rented through Coco Plum. The house is called Mermaid Manor, as you see there. It's our second year renting from Coco Plum. We really enjoy it. Very good process, good people to work with, so I highly recommend them. So this is the outside here. We got a wraparound porch that we see here. It's not very big. Around the front here, it's not very wide. There's also some storm shutters that are laid out, so may not be the best usable place, but the backside is very nice. Additional parking, so if you have more people, it does sleep 6. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath. This downstairs part is not part of the home that you rent. I'm not sure what it's used for. There's a small room there. It's got some stuff in it, so maybe it's the owner's or somebody else's, really not sure. But it's not part of the actual 2-bed, 2-bath. Charcoal grill, just standard grill. It does have a charcoal chimney there, starter. It is called Mermaid Manor. There's quite a bit of mermaid stuff once you get inside. So over here to the right, we have a hot tub. Nice hot tub, standard hot tub. Got a couple jets, as well as some lighting underneath or inside the water there. Foot bath. Rinse off your feet before you get in the hot tub. Nice little tiki hut. Got a little table with some chairs. The cooler down there, not sure what's in the cooler. It was here when we got here. Through the little jungle here, there's a hammock. We haven't stayed in the hammock yet, or sat in the hammock yet. Very nice theming. My lovely wife up there. Nice little pool. Got the waterfall there. It is a heated pool. It says it's heated to 85 degrees all the time, so if you're looking for something that's cold in the summer, it's not the coldest thing there. You know, it's like a bath water, but it's nice and refreshing anyways. Coconut tree. They said you can take any coconuts that do fall on the ground, so you know, enjoy those. They did say don't stand underneath the coconut tree because it could kill you. It's not very tall, so I don't see that happening here, but any other place, you never know. Nice theming. Got the lobster trap there. There's a step there I just kind of tripped over, but yeah, I forgot that was there. So got a little dock area. So fish cleaning station. So if you go fishing, like to fish and catch anything, you can clean it here. They just ask that you clean it off. You could fish from here as well. There's a dock coming down this way. I assume that's the owner's boat. It says keep out, so probably don't want to get on that. So this dock here, I believe it said it was 25 feet. So if you have a boat, you could park it here. That way you don't have to keep trailering it. So that's very nice to have that option. This is a floating dock. So if you're a little unsteady, you may need to be careful there. But you're in the canal. It's very nice. Like I said, you could fish off this. I haven't fished on it yet, but I am planning on doing that, as well as do some other fishing in different areas around Marathon. So we're going to go up and take a tour of the house itself, let you have an idea of what it looks like, and maybe you'll come down and stay here. They do give you some floats, so if you forget some floats, they do have some noodles as well as some chairs. No place to hang towels and clothes and whatnot. That's that room I was talking about, where not sure what it's for, but it's definitely not part of the house that you actually rent. It is upstairs, so if you have trouble going upstairs, then this is not the house for you. There are a couple houses that we've seen before that have an elevator, but I'm sure those are kind of hard to get rented. Screened in room, just your typical room. It's got a couple chairs here. Again, the lobster trap theming. Nice little couch. On this end, we got a table with 6 chairs there. So again, it sleeps 6, so they at least have chairs for everybody. Continuing the mermaid theming there, with a yeah, that is Mermaid Manor. Another day in paradise. It is true down here. We really enjoy the Keys. It is a pet-friendly rental. See there, it says wipe your paws. So they do allow pets here. I'm not sure the size restrictions, but they do have a kennel as well, or a crate inside one of the closets. So if you need a crate, then you can use it. So the living room, the TV is very limited on its channels. We have discovered that, but not necessarily here to watch TV, but it is nice to have a few more channels. Couch, a couple love seats. We assume the couch is a pull out. Since it sleeps 6, there's only 2 bedrooms. It should be a pull out couch there. Nice kitchen, a lot of cabinet space. Make a really nice home. Again, swimmers beware, mermaids in the water. Inside the closet here, if you were staying for a while, you could put a lot of stuff in the pantry, but there's a broom, some spray, any bugs that you may see. On the other side's a water heater. You do get a blender, so you can mix those drinks, or have any smoothies or whatever it may be that you want. Nice size fridge, freezer, standard appliances, but very nice kitchen. I think it's a 1,200 square foot house. Inside here is going to be your washer and dryer. So we see these here. Just your standard washer and dryer there. Whoop. 2 bath. This is the pink bathroom, we call it. Everything's kind of that pinkish color. But just your standard bathroom. Nothing real special as far as the bathrooms are concerned. No whirlpool tubs, any of that. The secondary bedroom here, got a little TV, plenty of closet space. I really do like this bamboo wall here with a different theming going on. Really nice. This closet here has extra linens. So if you get cold and you need bath mats, whatever, you find them in that closet there. Friendly lizard. So this is the master bedroom. So this one has the other bathroom in it. It's the green bathroom, we call it. Nightstand. So one cool thing is the alarm clocks have the power plugs in them, so you don't have to search for power outlets on the walls, which is nice. Plenty of closet space. This is the closet that has the kennel in it, so you can pull that out. Let's see if we can open this up here. Yeah, so we got the kennel crate right there. Kind of make that out. Dresser, another dresser with the TV on it. This one is a smart TV, so you can get YouTube, Netflix, that kind of stuff. I'm not sure the other TV is or not. Get in the green bathroom. So a nice glass shower. They do give you a squeegee to squeegee the shower out, so it kind of helps them out, keep it clean. Extra linens and towels and stuff in there. So yeah, overall it's a nice place. I do recommend it, and yeah, that'll do it for now.